Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Volkswagen Passat. This four-door sedan has a 5-cylinder, 2.5-liter i5 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.